Have you ever felt lost navigating the labyrinth of traditional banking apps? Tired of the endless scrolling and confusing interfaces? Well, fear no more, because today, we're diving into the world of Starling Bank, a digital bank that's shaking up the industry with its simplicity and user-friendliness. Starling Bank is a mobile-only bank that offers a range of financial products, including current accounts, savings accounts, and debit cards. One of the standout features of Starling is its app, which is designed to be intuitive and easy to use. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of downloading and setting up the Starling Bank app. Step-by-step guide. Find the app. The first step is to locate the Starling Bank app. You can find it by searching for Starling Bank in your device's app store. Make sure you download the official app to avoid scams. Download and install. Once you've found the app, tap the Get or Download button to start the installation process. This might take a few minutes depending on your internet connection. Open the app. After the installation is complete, open the Starling Bank app. You'll be greeted with a welcome screen. Create an account. If you're a new user, you'll need to create an account. Tap the Join Starling button and follow the on-screen instructions. You'll be asked to provide your personal details, including your name, address, and date of birth. Verification. To verify your identity, you'll need to take a photo of your ID document and a selfie. This is a standard security measure to prevent fraud. Set up your account. Once your identity has been verified, you'll be asked to set up your account. This includes choosing a username and password. Order your card. After setting up your account, you can order your Starling debit card. This card can be used to make purchases and withdraw cash. Explore the app. Now that your account is set up, it's time to explore the Starling Bank app. You'll find a variety of features, including Balance Overview. See your current balance and recent transactions at a glance. Spending Analysis. Track your spending habits and identify areas where you can save money. Goals. Set financial goals and track your progress. Spaces. Create virtual spaces to save money for specific purposes, such as holidays or emergencies. Feed. Stay up to date with the latest news and offers from Starling. Additional tips. Security. Starling Bank takes security very seriously. Make sure you protect your account by using a strong password and enabling two-factor authentication. Customer support. If you have any questions or problems, Starling's customer support team is available to help. You can contact them via in-app chat or email. Refer a friend. Earn rewards by referring friends to Starling Bank. And there you have it. Downloading and setting up the Starling Bank app is a simple and straightforward process. With its intuitive interface and a range of features, Starling Bank offers a convenient and modern banking experience. So why wait? Join the Starling revolution today and take control of your finances. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy banking.